What's goody fruity? Hey yo, we got some projects about to start happening in the future videos. Couple of videos from now, maybe one video from now, we'll see. What we're doing in this video today is getting my steering wheel covered, put on. I'm gonna take off the steering wheel, apply the cover professionally, or close to professionally as I can, because last time I did it, I was sitting in the car. That was my actually first video. We didn't go into that, but it was not good. So like in 1 to 2 years, he started twisting and all that. So hopefully today we're gonna do a better job. God damn, what? All right, boys and girls, we just took off the airbag from the IS250. All right, so I just took off the plastics. All the trims are taken off. These are from the center console, looking litty. And then this is the wrap we're going to be putting on the trims. Looks nice, looks nice. And this is the leathery wrap we're doing for the steering wheel. All right, so the wrap is done. It's forged carbon fiber. Looks pretty nice-key. It's kind of dark. I thought it was gonna be like more grayish, but it's like more of a black color. This wrap is not the greatest. Look, and it's kind of thick, so this is fine. The mode, I'm not even gonna touch the mode because it's stuck. All right, so next step is to wrap the wheel and to wrap the remaining trims. All right, let's get it. Bottom half of the wheel is done. The wraps are done. For these, you can literally just pull them out and tuck them back in. Make sure to tuck this in. And that's what I'm doing with the back side. As you can see, all you gotta do is tuck it in once you're done. All right, so what you do to start off is make a loop, put it through the opening, make sure it's long, and then get it through the needle, tighten it up, make sure the leftover piece is not as long because you don't want to waste the thread. And that's it. Once you do this, you should be fine with this as long as the thread doesn't move backwards once you're sewing. But just to be sure, what I do is just tie a knot. That's it. You're good to go. All right, so I just threaded in here the first one, like I said, from the back. Okay, so I just made a long one, a longer thread. Like I told you guys, make sure it's triple, quadruple, quintuple, whatever that's called, the size. All right, then what you do is, let me get my needle. Then what you do is, the way to start it is puncture the first line or the first hole where the needle, where the original thread is, and start it from the back. I already punctured it. Make sure you tie a knot at the end so it doesn't go through, and then just pull it through. As you can see, it's gonna get stuck here. Guys, when you do this, don't worry, just pull. You can pull as hard as you can, it's not gonna rip. Of course, you know, reasonable tension, but it should not rip because you need it tight. At the end of the day, you want it tight. What we do next is go to the beginning or the front and puncture, like, not puncture, but go through like this, the first thread, you know. All right, so you go to the first one again, but now from the back. What I like to do is, we're moving forward this way, so I like to go in front, put my needle in front of the previous thread. All right, so that will give you a nice thread line, right? So like always moving forward thread line, because you can mess it up. You can go behind, you can go in front, and it's gonna be backwards, frontwards, backwards, frontwards. All right, so you don't want that. Like I said, don't be scared to tighten it, because you need to tighten it. we're here. Go to the next one on the other side. Then again, like I said, in front of the previous thread. Boom. Next thread in front. Pull through. Just finished putting it on. It's kind of loose on the sides. I don't know why. I try to tuck it in as much as I could. I have tape in there. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's too tight. I'm not sure, but in the back it's not as loose over here as it is over here. The bottom is loose in the back. As long as it's loose in the back, I don't really care because you can't really see it. In the front, it's pretty valid. All right. The wrap is on. I put the pedal shifters back on, and we're gonna be putting this back on the wheel. So the airbag is on. Everything is tightened. It looks pretty good in my opinion. Definitely an upgrade. Only these are what's bothering me, but I don't know. The suede didn't have that issue. These for some reason do. I guess they're like thicker or something. I don't know. So what we're doing today in this video is, in day 2 is putting on seat covers for my Lexus. We got the seat covers going. First we have to prepare though, right? So I keep pointing backwards and then the light is not good. Okay, so we got the seat covers going. We have to clean them first. We have to wax them and then put on the seat covers. I'm not getting the seat covers from the back because the fitment is not good. So that's what I saw in the reviews, and then I didn't want to pay another $100 for them. So we're only doing the front, but we are cleaning and waxing the rear. I got the wax, I got the OxyClean. This is what I used previously in my videos before. If you haven't checked that out, check that out because it's really good. I have some left. This is for the OxyClean and this sponge is for the wax. Let's get it. Alright, so we just take some leather wax, a sponge, and just apply it. It smells good too. Alright, so this is like a week to 2 weeks later. It's been durable. Nothing is coming off. Hopefully in the summer when it gets warmer, gets hotter, these shrink, the sides, but I doubt it, you know. I'm just hoping. It's been clean. It's easier to clean also compared to the suede I had or Alcantara. But yeah, with that said, stay tuned for the next videos. So we have the seat covers done. We have the trunk to do. We have to wrap. Right, so I already took these off. Right, they've been sitting on my table in my room just for like 2 weeks already, waiting to be done. Been kind of lazy, but yeah, these need to be done. The center console or whatever needs to be wrapped. The door panels or pieces need to be wrapped. I'm still trying to take this off. I'm probably gonna take off the whole door, whatever, and then take this off from inside. We got the trunk to do. We got the MAP sensor to clean. So yeah, the brakes, the wheels are done. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next videos because they're gonna be dropping soon. All right, peace out.